Hi, Mr. Water Truck. I hope you know that we're going to be spending lots of time together. Lots of time. A couple times this thing was bitten up by rats. It didn't start. Fired right up. Maybe it was overheating or something? What's wrong with you, Mr. Water Truck? Clutch is pushed in neutral. Key is in the on position, and fires right up. I don't know. Fired right up. I don't have any warning lights or anything. So I have a feeling that this thing possibly has just not been serviced in a while. I think the oil might be really low, so that would be one of the reasons that the low oil shutdown would shut the engine off. Possibly a wiring issue, fuel maybe, a fuel leak or a clogged fuel filter, or just a low oil shutdown possibly. So I'm going to do a service on this thing, and that should hopefully remedy the problem. Eaten by rats. This thing gets destroyed by rats. You can actually see some left over that shit. Alright. This looks okay. Looks alright. Oh. Super low. Yeah. All right, we're back to the water truck. I'm gonna do a service real quick. There's gonna be some nasty oil, I can already tell. Oh yeah. That's blacker than the devil's butthole. That's some dirty oil. Don't let your oil get that way, because you'll ruin your vehicle. Alright, well, I'm gonna let this drain while I do the fuel filter. Pick that up. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's some shit on this. No, there. Look, that's all metal on the end of it. Yeah, that's all metal. Metal shavings. Gnarly. Probably pieces of his rings. Little tiny shavings from inside the engine. It's not what you want to see on your magnet.
through the oil filter real quick. Oh, holy shit. I think I was the last one to do it. And it was exactly 2 years ago. I like to write the dates and stuff and the miles. So 15,503 miles, 8/15/2020 when the last time this thing had the oil change. So we're 10 days shy of 2 years. Man, that's some black oil right there. All right.
What do you think, Mr. Water Truck? Would you like some oil? Do you need somebody to treat you nice? You always want to give it a little bit of time for the oil to get down into the pan. So give it a second and then take a reading.
Right there on the floor. We're good to go. It's on. All right, we're good to go. I'm gonna park this thing back where it goes. Man, it's hot out here right now. It was cold this morning. Next.